Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. After spending 4.5 wonderful years in Singapore, it's time to begin a new chapter, relocating to Prague. But before the big move, I spent 5 serene days at Village Hotel Changi. So let's head inside and check out the facilities. Please stay with me till the end to find out if it's really worth it. This hotel is located in the peaceful Changi village area, just 10 minutes from the airport, Changi Beach, and a boardwalk. You'll find great local food, scenic sea views, and even free airport shuttles. Now let's head inside the room and take a closer look. Is it comfortable, clean, and worth the price? Let's check it out. The room is quite spacious and comes with twin beds, a TV with cable channels, an electric kettle, iron, a safe locker, and even a mini refrigerator. Everything you need for a comfortable stay. The washroom is also quite spacious and comes with a bathtub and all essential toiletries. However, one small drawback, there's no faucet or jet spray, which might be inconvenient if you're from Asia and usually prefer one. Let's head to the gym. Perfect if you're a fitness freak or just want to stay active during your stay. The hotel gym is well equipped with all the basics you need. You'll find treadmills, cross trainers, and stationary bikes for cardio, along with a range of free weights and dumbbells. There are strength machines for resistance training, yoga mats, and even stability balls. The space is clean, air-conditioned, and has full-length mirrors to check your form. Everything you need for a solid workout session, even while on vacation. The Mood Bar, your go-to spot for drinks, chill vibes, and winding down. Right in front of the Mood Bar is the beautiful creek pool, a perfect spot to relax with a drink in hand. Whether you're taking a dip or just soaking in the tropical vibes, it's a great place to unwind. The hotel's in-house restaurant, Blue Tiffin, offers a great variety, from continental to Asian cuisine. But if you're looking to save money and experience authentic local flavors, just step out to the Changi Village food court, or explore over 10 local eateries within a 500-meter radius. The best part? If you're in Singapore, you don't need to worry about hygiene. Most stalls are SG Clean certified, ensuring top-notch quality and cleanliness. The cost of staying here in a superior room ranges between 150 to 200 Singapore dollars per night, depending on the season and how early you book. This price usually excludes breakfast, so keep that in mind while planning your stay. On the rooftop, there's a stunning infinity pool with atelier bar and restaurant right beside it. You can enjoy a refreshing dip, sip on your favorite drink, and watch airplanes make their dramatic close landings. An experience that's both relaxing and thrilling at the same time. Apologies for the slightly blurry video here. It started raining and the weather turned quite hazy and humid. That caused some fog on the camera lens. I hope you'll still enjoy the vibes despite the foggy frame. I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and help spread the love. See you in my next stay in Singapore or wherever the journey takes us.